Good afternoon and welcome back to my channel, Logan Speed Sharp. Today we're finally going to be modifying the Ferrari. It's been a little bit coming. I've just been waiting on parts to arrive. Honestly, today I'm going to put some seats in the car because the ones in it, these bad boys here, they just hurt my back when I'm driving. They've got no posture support. They're not ideal. So yeah, we're going to swap them out. It's not the first attempt I've had to do this. I've actually bought another set of brides, some red Eurosters, and I went to put them in the other week and I just failed miserably. They didn't suit it. Well, they did, but they had two things that didn't work on them. I'll show you. I might even have the clip I'll chuck in here. She's kind of half bolted in. I got the two front ones. One's in there properly, one's not. The only issue, well, one of the many issues, the back two I just can't physically get to at the moment. You can see that hits there. It's just a bastard. I'm not going to worry about putting them in. I can see they're pretty well lined up, but I got to pull it back out, weld a bloody bracket to it for the seat belt, put the other seat belt on, and at this point I've got to decide, do I want to have these in the car? Because at the moment it's been a hell of a fight and it looks pretty damn cool, but honestly it's just not going to be practical at the moment, I don't think. So for now I'm going to have a bit of a hunt around, see if I can find some better rails, because even the likes of this sticking out, I want to trim that, make that tidier. I'm just not happy with these. I'm going to see if I can actually find some proper bride rails to suit a Ferrari. I'm still happy with the seats. The model might change slightly as I don't like the adjuster on the back to set the heights. But yeah, at the moment I'm just going to put the factory seat back in, which has been a hell of a letdown. And hey, sometimes this happens with seats. They're an absolute pain in the ass, and until you get it in, you don't know. They look good, you know. But yeah, what didn't work on them? This bar here. Sorry, playing around with a different camera today. It's a little bit different for me to get used to. So yeah, that bar there didn't work, and these rotators, one on each side, and they just didn't clear. So yeah, pretty much it just didn't fit as good as it could. I think the red actually really suited and would have worked good, but just yeah, that bar on the back didn't work. So swapped that round, had a bit of a play with it, and yeah, wasn't happy with it overall. These here are the new brides I've got, still brand new in packaging. I've opened one up and had a bit of a look. See all the little baggies it comes with here. This one here actually has a cap to take one of the adjusters off one side, and they are a different style. So yeah, there we are. Black Bride Eurosters, well, Black Bride Euroster Cruisers actually. So on the side, they've got little dimples here, and that is so you can put armrests. And then I've got a quick release on the side here to go to recline, and I can take one of those off. So these should work really well. Problem is, obviously they don't bolt straight in. I've got some adapters I've made up. I know the driver's side pretty much works straight away. The passenger side, only halfway done. Even the driver's side, I've still got to make a mount for the seat belt bolt. So yeah, I've got to play around with that. Got to find them. Here they are. Chilling down here. So that is the passengers, and that's the drivers there. Still got a little bit of work to do to complete them, but I'll get that done. That shouldn't be bad. I've got, what is it, like 3-4 hours to get these done, and then I've got to get down to Autobahn Shinefest to catch up with a few of the boys, chuck the Ferrari on display, and yeah, just talk some shit. Melton and Autobahn are going to be stocking all the racework supplies, which will be really handy when I desperately need something and I can't put an order in. But yeah, we'll go down. They're doing a bit of a grand opening for that. Just be a good afternoon, I reckon. Nice sunny Sunday. Got the Sylvia out here chilling in the sun. If anyone wants to buy this car, hit me up. It's full of goodies and I just don't need it. wouldn't mind some money for the next endeavour and just chucking it at the Ferrari. But yeah, it is a beautiful sunny day. So, going to start hacking into these seat rails, really attacking the Ferrari today, making it a little bit more comfortable to drive. So let's get into this. So the easiest bit's done now, I guess. The seat is out. Pretty bloody simple. 4 bolts holding it in. Basically just bolts in on RHS, which is simple as 4 bolts, out, seats out. Now all I've got to work out is, on this side is where the seat belt bolts to. I've got to put an adapter onto my adapter plate, well, a bracket onto my adapter plate, so I can bolt the seat belt off to the side. Then it'll be good. Bolt the adapter plate up to the bride, and from there, should be able to get the first one in. Now I have to finish building the second adapter plate. It's like the second seat in the car. Should just be that simple, you know? So I might just jump straight into it, show you guys a little bit of progress along the way maybe, but we'll get shit done. Moment of truth now. The bracket's all mounted up, everything's bolted up together there. Welded on a bracket here for the seat belt. We got the one that was already on here for the buckle. Everything's measured up side to side. Whip should be good. And then you can just chuck it in this hole. But yeah, it's going to be a bit of a challenge, I guess. It's never that easy. We'll find out. Yeah, hopefully it just goes in there smooth. Then I can bolt all the seatbelt stuff on, and we'll be away laughing. God damn, how good does that look in there? She's mounted up. She's in there tight, and looks good. Looks at home. Got to do the passenger one now. Got about an hour to get the other one in. You can see the factory seat chilling there. And it's really going to be pushing it because the seat rail is supposed to be painted. Worst case, I just do one, but I reckon I can get both. We'll see it. Let's see how we go anyway. I've welded everything up, so it's literally just get it out, die grind some of the holes out so it fits good. Playing with this mic, keeps pulling my bloody shirt down. Not wearing the best shirt for it, I guess. But at least there's a wireless mic now, so you guys can actually hear what I'm saying. But yeah, absolutely wrapped with how that looks in there. Looks at home. The black works, I reckon. Especially when the passenger seat's black, it's going to look at home. That real JDM vibe for the Ferrari. Can't wait to see some wheels on it. They should be here soon as well. Damn success. Get in there. Passenger seat is in. God damn. I love it. Absolutely love how it looks. Black on brown on red. Or mustard, I guess, not brown. Tan even. Beige. But yeah. She's in. How good does that look? I love it. Get some proper shots out there later when we're outside. But yeah, bloody hell. How good is that? They sit in there good roof, like height clearance. I'm wrapped. Kind of speechless with how it turned out. Got one bolt to tighten on the driver's side. I just left at the moment. I was getting frustrated. You know how it is sometimes when you get frustrated, you just got to walk away from a job, and that's all I did. So I'm going to have a bit of a clean up, get that tightened, have a shower, and take this down to Autobahn for the old show this Arvo. Show it off with the boys, talk some shit, wind up Mike Lake about his bloody fake Lamborghini he's building, and take him hopefully for a drive in this so you can see what a rear engine car feels like. Man, I could not be happy with this car now. The seats just really finished it off, and it really fixed a big problem I had with the Ferrari seats. They just hurt my back. Oh, there we are. How good do they look? Now I'm actually going to be able to drive this car, enjoy it a lot more. It's going to feel good. So happy with that. So damn happy. They suit it pretty bloody well too, don't they? So down here at Autobahn Shinefest, don't have my mic on me, so hopefully this is clear enough that you can hear it, otherwise I'll dub some audio over top. But yeah, there's a lot of cars here. I've walked over to the other side, over by Bunnings bloody car park, just so I can see everything in the car park. I mean, obviously a lot of pedestrian sort of traffic, but there's a couple of cool cars that have grabbed my attention. I'll try and film on the way back past, and then we'll show you what's on display. Get a bit of footage there. So we've got a completely standard S13. Looks like it's been repainted. It's got a couple of little things that have been changed on it, but pretty bloody cool to see out. I mean, I wouldn't be able to do it. I wouldn't be able to leave it standard. But yeah, pretty bloody cool. Mark's big block bloody race car here is Monaro.
I only get most of the water all over my clothing, so that's good. All right, we are, if you're wandering around having a look at some of the cars on display, firstly we would invite you over closer to the entranceway to Autobahn here at
Thank you.